And today we're gonna play Zombie Uprising. Okay, let's play. Let's play. Let's play. Okay, I played Zombie Uprising for a long time and gonna play it again. Because I'm bored. I'm really bored. So let's play. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, so hard to clip the microphone. So, bro, why is this so loud, bro? It's 1 minute already, and it is still not, bro, bro. Hey yo, oh, I need to reconnect because of my internet connection. Oh, sorry guys, but I cannot play. I think so. Let me leave the games and I will play another game. Oh, why push up battles, bro? That's so mid. So I'm gonna play hide and seek. Let's go! So I like to play hide and seek. Oh, bro, you have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior. I did not do nothing, bro. Bro, I did not do nothing, bro. I did not. I did nothing in hide and seek, bro. This game has a problem, bro. This game has a problem, bruh. So what should I play? What should I play? What should I play? I mean in my tablet. So I'm gonna play Zombie Uprising. That's that's the thing that I can only play with, bruh. So I'm playing right now. Please, I want to play. I want to play. So, oh my god. So, we will do ASMR if this doesn't load. ASMR. Bro, it's already 3 minutes in and we cannot find a freaking game. Bro, this is diabolical. Bro, where should I put my mic? My microphone. My microphone. Oh, I'm joining, bro. Why? What's problem with my internet? It's okay, bro. Bro, it's okay. Bro. Bro, I'm your biggest fan. Bro, really love this game. I cannot, bro. Oh, yes. I'm reconnecting. Yes, I'm in. Yes, I'm in. Let's go. So sorry for the inconvenience because it's already 4 minutes and I have about 4 minutes to play or three. So you can see me play, bro. Why? Why I've been kicked? What? Why I've been kicked, bro? Because of my internet, bro. What the hell happened? Bro, what the hell did I do? Am I promoting something? Really hate this. If this again and again and again. Oh yes, I've joined. Yes sir. Why have been kicked into Roblox, bruh? Bruh, I cannot delete this game. This game is the best game. Bruh, really love this game, bruh. Bruh, I really love this game. Why are you kicking me, bruh? Why are you kicking me? Why are you kicking me? I really hate this right now that everything you love really hates you the most. Okay, so I'm really sad because the effort we put into making our videos, making 300 or 500 views or less, than a girl smiling. I'm so sad that a girl smiling is a 1K views and other more. I'm so sad that the effort we put is just nothing. It's just like, oh, I think it's a waste of time making videos that, yeah, yeah, that, yeah, yeah, making nonsense creation and other stuff. And a girl smiling can have a million likes. I'm so sad. So please subscribe and like because for me to be unkicked in Roblox. So goodbye guys.